Hey there guys, welcome back to Vlogmas, and today we're gonna do a fail video. So stay tuned if you want to see me fail. You want to take some cherry juice, I don't know how you say that, and place it in a little mixing cup. Then you want to add some pineapple juice to that. Next up, you want to use some crème de coco, and that's what I did not find, and I used the wrong kind basically, which was not suitable for this recipe. This is why it's a fail. And if you want, you can also add some alcohol to that, some rum or whatever you like. Then you want to close that cup up, and you want to shake basically until it's all combined evenly, which did not happen for my version, but it still tasted really good. And then you can pour it into a glass with some ice, and yeah, it tasted fine, just looked a bit weird, so keep that in mind if you want to recreate this. But yeah, just an inspiration. Maybe you can leave me below better drinks for the winter time. Bye!